Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add variation in your eBay listing, like different size, colors or style, so you can manage all your product option in a single listing. It's super easy and helps attract more buyers while keeping your store organized. So let's get started. So this is the official website of eBay. Now, first of all, you need to tap on sell. Now here, you need to go on list an item. Here, you need to type the name of the product you want to sell. For example, I will type shoes. Tap on search. Now, you will see the option find a match. If your product matches, simply tap on it, but if it doesn't match, then click on continue without match to move forward. So simply I will tap on continue without match. In this section, you can decide the condition of your product. For example, new with box or new without box. Choose the one of the best fits the products you want to sell. So simply I will choose here new with box and tap on continue. So this is the listing page. Okay. So first thing you need to do that enable your variation section. So as we scroll, as you can see, our variation section is not showing here. So how can we enable that? So simply click on three dots, goes on setting and enable our variation section. So as you can see now our variation section is enabled now. So the main question is that how can we add list on this section? So to do list in the variation, you need to simply scroll down and in pricing format, there is an option. Simply tap and choose it on buy it now. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the edit option has appeared. Simply tap on it. So here you can see the variation section. From this page, you can create different variation for your product. For example, size, color or type. So just click on add and select the attribute. For example, I will choose here UK shoe size and tap on save. Okay. Once you have added all your option, eBay will automatically create separate variation under one listing. That's how you can easily add product variation in your eBay listing. And that is for today. I hope this helped you and understand how to add variation to your eBay listing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more such tutorials.